Most people think AI becomes smart because someone installs intelligence into it. Like there is a secret button called Make It Genius and boom, the machine starts answering questions, recognizing faces, and predicting your next YouTube obsession. Sadly, no. AI does not become useful through magic. AI becomes useful because of data. But here's the real question. If AI needs data to learn, does that mean better data creates better intelligence? Think about humans first. A child does not understand the world on day one. The child learns by seeing, hearing, touching, failing, asking, copying, and repeating. Slowly, the brain starts recognizing patterns. Hot things can burn. Dark clouds may mean rain. A smiling face may mean friendliness. In a similar way, AI learns from examples. But instead of life experience, AI learns from data. Data can be text, images, videos, audio, numbers, clicks, purchases, searches, medical scans, driving footage, customer reviews, or anything that can be recorded and used for learning. If you want AI to recognize cats, you need cat images. If you want AI to translate languages, you need language examples. If you want AI to predict traffic, you need road and movement data. No data, no learning. Simple. A practical example is YouTube recommendations. YouTube does not randomly guess what you like. It collects signals, what you watch, what you skip, how long you stay, what you search, what you like, and what similar viewers watch. Then its AI uses that data to predict which video you may click next. That is why your homepage can become dangerously addictive. It is not reading your mind, it is reading your behavior. A small case study is healthcare. AI can help doctors detect diseases from medical images like X-rays, CT scans, or eye scans. But the AI needs thousands or millions of properly labeled medical examples to learn the difference between healthy and unhealthy patterns. If the data is accurate and diverse, the AI can become useful. If the data is poor, biased, or incomplete, the AI may miss important signs or give wrong predictions. In healthcare, bad data is not just a technical problem. It can become a human problem. This is why people say garbage in, garbage out. If you train AI on messy, biased, outdated, or fake data, do not expect clean intelligence. That is like feeding a student wrong notes for the whole year and then acting shocked when they fail the exam. AI is only as good as the patterns it learns from. Bad data teaches bad patterns. Good data teaches better patterns. But more data is not always better. This is where many people get confused. A huge amount of low-quality data can still create weak results. What matters is not just quantity, but also quality, relevance, diversity, and structure. For example, if an AI is trained mostly on one type of person, one language, one culture, or one situation, it may perform badly for everyone outside that pattern. That is how bias enters AI. Historically, AI became more powerful when data exploded. The internet, smartphones, social media, sensors, cloud computing, and digital platforms created massive amounts of information. Earlier AI systems struggled because they had limited data and weaker computers. Modern AI became powerful because it has three major things: more data, better algorithms, and stronger computing power. So in one simple line, AI needs data because data is the experience AI learns from. Humans learn from life. AI learns from examples. The better the examples, the better the learning. But if the examples are wrong, biased, or incomplete, the AI will not become wise. It will become confidently flawed. Welcome back to the AI Studio, where we make artificial intelligence simple, visual, and slightly less painful. But now comes the next question. If data is the fuel of AI, how does the machine actually learn from it? And what really happens when we say an AI model is being trained?